हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वंस अगेन। तो प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने बात किया था स्लोप ऑफ कर्व के बारे में। तो आज हम लोग जानेंगे फंक्शन। तो प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने थोड़ी सी इंट्रोडक्शन आपको दी थी फंक्शन के बारे में, फंक्शन होता क्या है। तो लेट्स बिगिन अबाउट द फंक्शन। तो फंक्शन समथिंग दैट टेक इन इनपुट एंड गिव एन आउटपुट। समथिंग एनीथिंग that takes some input and gives a particular output. It gives only one output, not two. For example, we have a very simple example. See a plant in a sunlight. When we see a plant in a sunlight, it's form a shadow on the ground. So, the shadow's length of that plant depends upon the position and the height of plant. Okay, is it clear to all that the shadow's length of the plant under the sunlight is depend upon the position and height of the plant? Okay, so we say that shadow's length depend upon position and height of the plant. So shadow's length is the function of position and the height of the plant. Now we see the another example. Distance. We calculate the distance. How many? Distance means speed into time. So how many speed in a particular time elapsed? If time increases, then the distance will also increases according to the speed, when the speed is constant. So distance is depend upon time elapsed. How much time elapsed, distance will increases at the according to the time elapsed. So distance, time is a function of distance, so distance depend upon that time. Now the third example, area of a square. Let a square, a four equal sided rectangle. So let's say its single side be x square, x. So its area will be equal to side square. Okay, let the x square be y. Okay, so its area depend upon the side. If side increase or decrease, area will corresponding increase or decrease according to the side of that particular square. So let the area of that square be equal to a or y. So y is equal to x square. In this case, y is the dependent variable, and x square other than x is the independent variable. Here we can take the value of x, any value, but the value of y will be dependent upon x, that it will be equal to x square. So area is equal to x square. So area is written as the function of the length of the given square. Now y is the function of x when y varies with x. So y varies with x. Y is a function of the x. When the y varies with x, it may be inverse variation or direct variation. Okay, now it's varying with respect to something. Now the function means it's varying with respect to something, anything. It's varying with respect to that particular thing, that's function. Okay, we can see the analytical method. This x-axis, y-axis. Then the f of x is 2x. Then when x is 1, then the y will be corresponding 2, because f of x will be 2x is equal to y is equal to 2x. When x is 2, y corresponding will be equal to 4. This is called inverse direct variation. Okay, now we see the interesting example of this solving the problems of functions. F of x is equal to, follows the given condition that x square, if x is even and x plus 5 if x is odd. So when we took the value of x be even, then the value of y will be its square. So f of 2, function of 2 is 4, and here 2 is input. And when we take an odd number 3, then the value of f of 3 will be equal to 8. So, and important thing, when we solve a function, it will give a particular number. For example, x square is equal to 3. It gives two different numbers, that it may be positive or negative root 3. This is not a condition of a function. Okay, so हमारे वीडियो में बस इतना ही। अगर हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ताकि हमारे नए नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहे। थैंक यू।